Hello everybody, and today I'm back with another video, and today we'll be playing a BMX game. It's one of my favorite games on this phone. Yeah, so let's get started. So what you're supposed to do is basically just ride around and do tricks. Oh, how about that? Isn't that so awesome? Woo! Okay, just so you know, do not judge me. I'm not the game. Ooh, okay. Oh. It was about to be awesome, guys. It was. It was about to be awesome. No, that wasn't anything. Oh, over it. Nope. Of course, guys. Because I'm horrible. Yeah, see? I'm so bad at this game. Isn't that so awesome? I'm so bad at this game. I love it. Whoa! Whoa, buddy boy. Get down with it. Oh! That was like the first trick I landed. Oh my god! Oh, let's see if I can make this. Nope. I didn't make it. What the heck? Whoa! I don't know what I did there, but it was not pretty. Ooh, that was about to be awesome, but it wasn't. I didn't make it. Why would it do that? I didn't make it. I don't know how I didn't even grind there. This is a game. Oh my god, that was magical. I just jumped from one thing to another and then started grinding. What the heck? Alright. I might post a video later today. This video is one of the videos, and I haven't had the chance to really YouTuber live stream or whatever the heck you call it. Yeah, so I'm not the best at being an active channel, but I'll work on that for you guys. So, for you. Feeble? What's a feeble? With that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Ooh, feeble. What the heck is that? .360 tail whip. Dun dun dun. Grind. Oh. Ooh, pretty fails. That was cool. Oh. I'm gonna try and master that. Nope. Let's see if this game will not be mean to us. Some people are just memes. Like Donald Trump. Donald Trump is great at editing and making memes. Because you know why? Because he is Donald Trump. You know what that means? That he's a great meme. Every single president is a great meme. Oh my god. What? No. No, that was about to be so sick. Holy crap. I failed. You got mail. Oh. oh, 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 oh. La, la, la. Oh, 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 oh. I almost failed. I failed there. But I just did, so I can't say I didn't. Because I am an honest man. How? I can complete a flip. What? I can complete a flip here. Why? And I do it. Boop, boop. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, no. Well, my peoples. Okay. Well, it looks like my dinner's here. A very short video. Just a little talk. Oh, well. Actually, never mind. I'm going to keep the video running. Because you know why? That was sick. That was... Oh. 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 Dang it. I hate this stupid thing. You guys gotta tell me how to... Because I am having I'm having lots of ads and I don't know how to edit them out. Help me. Help me. I'm not a good YouTuber. But oh well. Who cares? Who the heck cares? Who the heck cares? Who the heck cares? Because I don't, and it's my channel. Who cares? Nobody even watches these stupid videos. So why am I even posting a video? And please, if you do end up watching one of my videos, subscribe. Please. I'm begging. I'm begging you. I'm begging. I'm begging. Ooh, with that big fat butt. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Alright. With that big fat butt. Okay, guys, can you tell me anything you know about YouTubing? If you know. But if you, I don't know how to, whatever, I don't care. I'm, what, Ninja Turtle. Ooh, hot moves. I've got some. Get some! The itch! Oh yeah? You want some of this BMX riding? Oh! Baby! See how sick that was? I just completely...
What are you doing? Who are you talking to?
YouTube.
Hmm?
YouTube, don't talk. We're so punch you in the face. Oh my god, why is this so... This stupid ad keeps showing up. The heck? So mean. Do you know how mean that is? It like seems to do more ads when I'm doing my videos. Like, stupid thing! Stupid YouTube! You're interfering with my gaming! Stupid thing, stupid thing. Oh, a grinding rail. What the heck? It's a rail that you grind on. I'm so stupid.
Shh. No more talking to yourself.
I'm not talking to myself, Mom.
Exactly what you're doing.
No, I'm not.
Who are you talking to?
I'm making a YouTube video. Jeez.
Oh.
Sorry. My mom's just annoyed with me just talking. She thinks I'm talking to myself. Everybody says I'm not. Oh, that was sick. How did I do that? Someone tell me how I did that. Oh. Okay, guys, it looks like I have to go now. My dinner is here. So, thank you and goodbye. I will see you in the next video.